to number 7. Number 7, Rosalia. Rebound by Marcel, number 30. Number 18. Yes, Marcel, number 11, Aguillon. Number 4. So number 6, Rosette. Number 7, Rosalia. Number 5, Sarte. Yes, basket to number 5. Yeah, Sarte.
Ayan, 11-8 in favor po iti sa Priana.
Number 20, Marcel. Number 1. Rosette. The rebound. Number 3. Number 6, Rosette. Yes, again, number 6, Rosette. Score. 13-8 in favor of Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz. Time remaining, less 2 minutes. 54 seconds in the first quarter. Official score. 13-8 in favor of Sapriana. Back to the building. Number 7, no good. Number 15, Kelly. Even. At Mount Ave, that's number 18. Number 18, Kelly. Yes, sir, number 15. Mamona, reading the ball, number 3. Number 18, yes, basket number 15. Even. Again. Even. Block. Number 6. Single. Last 2 minutes, 3 seconds. Number 18, Viernes. Yeah, there's a foul. Foul number 6. 2 shots for number 11, Abrian. Short or first stroke. Number 7, number 6. Number 7. Number 7. Number very single. Number 6, number 7. 3 points. Number 6, number 7.
Ayan, 12-15 favor po iti sa Priana.
3D. Foul on number 77. Sobra. Number 18. Out. Yes, we're pretty shot. Number 20, Cancel. Daniel. Nakita so good. Number 20, Santa Cruz out. Number 6, Santa Cruz ball. Number 9, Garcia. Back to the number 9, yes, sir. Nice play. Play number 9 and number 11.
16-14 sa Puriana.
Number 15, Santa Cruz out. Time remaining was 41 seconds. Hulama. Sabriana ball. Number 6, number 8. Santa Cruz ball. Last 27 seconds. There's the foul. Foul number 12, Sherman. 2 shots. For number 77, Vinduan. Number 8. Number 7, number 9. Yes, sir. Number 7, Illoretta. Last 6 seconds.
Tabla 16 all.
Last 6 seconds. There's a foul. Foul number 9. Last 4 seconds. Number 3. Number 7. And the first one, the official score. 16 all. Next game, Tapao versus Aging. Second quarter. Foul. Foul number 7, Illoretta. Ibrao. Chanley Ibrao. Yeah, good. Remember Bermudez. Garcia. Number 9. Last touch by number 8. Sabrina ball. Number 7. Number 7. Of course.
Ayan, 19-16 in favor po ti Santa Cruz.
Malakas ang pasa ni Chairman. Number 9, Garcia. Number 2. Single. Number 9, using pass, yes sir. Ibrahim, number 1. Jabal, Diabol. Number 7. Here's the foul. Foul number 6. Rosete. Second personal foul number 6. Rosete. Garcia. Bermudez. The starting by number 21, Ibrahim.
Ayan.
21-16 in favor po Santa Cruz.
Same ball. Yes, number 6. Rosete.
18-21 Santa Cruz.
Number 9. Yes, number 3. Number 7. Ibrahim, number 1. Number 7, Sabrian out. Number 12. Sabriana. Kapapasok lang ni Ski German. Alejandro. Ang tutuloy ni Mami Jennifer. Number 16. Number 1. Ibrahim.
Ayan, 20-23 3-point lead Santa Cruz. 4 minutes and 55 second quarter.
Guzman. Alejandro. Foul number 6. One shot. Third personal foul number 6. Rosete. One shot for number 2. Villanes. Number 6, Sabrina out. Number 19. Guzman. Chairman Alejandro. Number 5. Igme. Number 4. Bernabe. Number 13. Pass number 16. Chairman. Number 18. Number
20-28 Santa Cruz. 3 minutes and 35 second quarter.
Number 19, Salcedo. Number 2, BRS out. Time out. Sabriana. Score. 20-28 in favor of Santa Cruz. Back to the building. Sabriana, Santa Cruz ball. Number 14, Guzman. Guzman. Number 23, so number 16, Alejandro. Humira. Number 2. Number 4. Still number 8. 8 times shoot. Number 15, Pagpaglato. Lifting by number 14. Number 13. Comes to number 16. Wala na number 9. Still number 4. To number 18. Number 18. Yes, sir. Number 18.
22-28 Santa Cruz. 2 minutes 28 sa ating second quarter.
Guzman. To Chairman. Number 14. Guzman. 10 to shoot. Chairman. There's a foul. Foul number 21. Number 13. Guzman out. Number 5. Nicoleta in. We have line number 5.
22-28 Santa Cruz. Last 2 minutes second quarter.
Number 19. Number 5. Pantalado, number 4. Yes, let's get number 5.
24-28 4-point lead Santa Cruz.
Loretta. Ibrao. Number 23. Number 16. There's a whistle. Foul number 14. Time out. Santa Cruz. Time remaining. Last 1 minute, 5 seconds in the second quarter. Official score 26-28, 2-point lead, Santa Cruz. Back to the building. Number 5, Selma. Pushing foul, number 23. Last 40 seconds. There's a foul. Foul number 23. And number 3. Salcedo. Last 28 seconds. Number 5, jump shot. Good one. Number 18, Salcedo, yes sir. Last 10 seconds. Last 5. Stepping. That's 1 second. That's 1 second. And until the first half, official score 30-28, 2-point lead, Santa Cruz. Team Medics, DJ kayo ako, Team Barangay ko. Ito'y laban ni Management. Now for the ball game. Change court. Saprian ball. Number 18. Number 6, no good. Saprian ball. Number 14, yes sir. Number 18, Offensive foul. Number 19. Good, it's a play at the end. Kelly. Number 15, Eve. Last touch by number 15, Sabriana ball. Time remaining. Last 6 minutes, 40 seconds. In the third quarter. Single. 11 seconds to shoot. Rosettes. 5. Number 19. Kelly. For the rebound. Number 15. Pass break. Now number 6. Sherman. Running violation.
Tabla
Number
31.
15. Number 18. To Kelly. Clearing pass. Abiyan. Block. Number 6. Single. Number 18. 10 to shoot. Number 9. Garcia. Block by number 14. Sabriana ball. Number 6. We have earned number 6. Rosette. Change the ball. 32, Sabriana. Number 7, yes sir, number 7. The Sanya. The Sanya again, number 7. There's a foul. Foul number 15, pushing foul. Serve. Number 9, Santa Cruz out. Number 7, number 3, Black.
Third quarter mo pa yun.
Santa Cruz ball.
Oh, binuya ang live mo tayo. Mga rubigaya mo. Karera yun ko.
Number 7, Loretta. Juliana, Andres. Same ball.
So ayan, 34-30 in favor po ti Sabriana. 4 minutes and 25 third quarter.
Score 34-30 in favor of Sabriana. Tapan! Ang laki mo, number 6. Number 3. Number 3. Calpalano! Sinira! Wala. But there's a foul. Pushing foul number 20. 2 shots, number 14. Tikboy.
Sabi mo kasi.
Ayan, 35-30. 5-point lead sa Poriana.
Number 7. Number 15, even. Aguilar. There's a foul. Foul number 6. Number 6, Rosete out. Number 26, Rosete in. Number 6, last warning. Score 35-30. 31, 35, 32, 35, sa Priana.
Ngayon, matulog. Basta ka nito.
Number 12, Hillary, yes sir, number 12, Cameron. Lorena, Fabian, number 11, Number 7, to number 18. Sapriana. Back to the building. Number 3. There's a foul. Foul number 15. Pushing foul. 2 shots. Number 3. Bangunan. Second personal foul number 15. Ibe. Seven.
36-38 sa Poriana. 2 minutes and 52, third quarter.
Number 7. Save ball.
Michelle, mabidyo yun. Hindi maala.
10 to shoot. Inoreta. 5. Number 9. 48 all. Number 7. Number 3. Number 3. Yes, sir. Number 3.
Ayan, 40-38 sa Poriana.
Number 11. Foul number 7. shot for number 11, Agulian. Agulian pa rin.
Ayan, 40-42
21.
Santa Cruz.
Bonus shot for number 11, Agulian. Second personal foul, number 21. Number 11. Number 21, Pato. Yes, sir. Number 21, Pato. Garcia. Yes. Number 9.
42-45 Santa Cruz. 1 minute and 10 seconds, third quarter.
Time out. Sabriana. Last 2 minutes sudah ditayang yun, Jerman. Sabriana. Last 2 minutes sudah ditayang yun. Di fourth quarter. Score 42-47 Santa Cruz. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game. Sabriana ball. Out of bounds. Last 15 seconds. Yes, five. There's a whistle. Foul number 5. Point 9 seconds. Point 9 seconds.
Shoot! Shoot! Shoot!
And the returning quarter official score 42-49 in favor of Santa Cruz.
Kita. Itong parda kay gamot ta.
Ay, kulap.
Back on going.
Kaya bangit.
Number 21, in Brown, aka Pato. Even. White ball. Foul number 19, 2 shots. Number 16, Alejandro. Shot from number 16, German, Pablo. Second, number 6. Number 17. Abian. Musolet. Foul number 19, Salcedo. Basket. Fourteen foul, number 6. Happy graduation, number 6. There's a foul. Foul number 77, 2 shots. For number 21, Ibrao. Second personal foul, number 77. Yeah. Number 16, Alejandro. Number 77.
57-44 Santa Cruz. 6 minutes left.
Holding foul,
Last
number
quarter.
16. Number 7, Marcos Siloreta. Number 15, 16. Third personal foul, number 77. Number 3. Number 14. Then shoot. 5. Foul number 14. 2 shots for number 77. So, number 3, Sabriana. Number 7. Bingo meron yan.
60-44 Santa Cruz.
Two shots for number 12. Foul number 11. Seven. Kelly. 77.
46-62 Santa Cruz. Last 4 minutes left sa ating last quarter. Ayan.
Good. Number 15. Even. Number 11. Garcia. Yes. Save ball. Number 81, Pato. No good. Number 11, pass break. Number 18, Vienes.
Ayan, 46-66. Santa Cruz, 3 minutes and 12. Last
Number
quarter.
19, Ibrao. Number pass to Vienes. Number 9, Seven. Time remaining just 2 minutes, 50 seconds. Ibrao to Chairman. Yes, basket, then number 14, Palpalato.
48-68 in favor po sa Santa Cruz.
Number 7, Gasalia. Number 2. Number 9, Garcia. Number 14. Number 3, Tuviera Reyes.
makaumay na bigat.
Okay.
Agmalmalom. Di ba mambasa?
Fairness pa lang, kapit na laban na bigat.
Ada, kawang basa. Alas 9.
Number 15, Steven. To number 9, Garcia. To number 7, time out.
Makasulit.
Sabriana. Bullets, Regat Firman. Sahuratan. Happy viewing to Miss Tasha Marie Ponce of Barangay Santa Cruz. Happy viewing, ma'am.
Ilaw ka naman.
Back to the ballgame.
May Arabi eh.
Time remaining, just 1 minute 41 seconds in the last quarter. Score 17-48. Santa Cruz. Three points. Number 26. Limoreta. Number 3. Number 3. Gasanya. No good. Number 5. Pushing the ball. Beton. Pasa satu. Basket number 3. That's 58 seconds. Next game, Alvin. Result. Tapao. Gasanya. Nagbutol. Number 5, Palos. Number
51-72 in favor of Santa Cruz. Last 38 seconds. Last quarter.
Number 7, Messiah. Number 1. That's 15.
Yan. Congratulations, Santa Cruz. Thank you very much for watching, everyone. See you sa ating next live.
Let's go.